Obey.
Obey.
Thanks to the many new immigrants who called this home, the Lower East Side has one of the most culturally diverse food scenes in New York City. Today we're headed off on a small group food tour to taste our way through this neighborhood and its history.
People love everything about this tour. It really gives you a perspective of how New York City grew as one of the true amazing immigrant destinations in the world.
The Dutch once owned New York, so how appropriate that we're starting with a Dutch stroopwafel, which is like a caramel waffle.
So a really important point along our immigrant history tour today is that not all of the immigrants came here by choice.
Not only are we getting to try tasty food, we're learning so much about the history of this area. We've just arrived in Chinatown and we're going to try fried dumpling, which I'm really excited about. Best fried dumplings I've ever had. New York City has the largest population of Chinese outside of Asia, which means lots of really good Chinese food. It's amazing. You cross the street. On one side, you're in Little Italy. The next side, you're in Chinatown. It changes drastically so quickly. Cannolis, pizza, mozzarella. We must be in Little Italy.
Okay, come on into America's oldest dairy store and we'll see some things and talk more about them. This is the ricotta and prosciutto ball made with homemade ricotta, prosciutto, and fried to perfection.
It's delicious.
In 3 hours, we're covering a lot of ground and eating some really delicious food. We've just arrived in the Jewish neighborhood where we're off to try some knishes.
So one of the coolest things to me about this store is that you're walking these neighborhoods where these people live, you're seeing the same structures, you're eating the same food.
Without this, I would be overwhelmed with the choices, and so this really helped me focus on learning the different neighborhoods and how they're connected and the history. I feel like it was a very complete experience, and of course the food was amazing.
This has been fantastic. We've tried so many tasty dishes while learning about their cultural heritage. Now I can continue to explore Manhattan with a better awareness of what makes the city what it is.